Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about one of the most powerful and destructive forces of nature, earthquakes. But before we dive into why earthquakes happen, what to do during an earthquake, and how we can know an earthquake is about to happen, let's start by defining what an earthquake is. An earthquake is a sudden movement of the Earth's surface caused by the release of energy from within the Earth's lithosphere. This energy can be released in the form of seismic waves, which cause the ground to shake. Earthquakes can range from small, barely noticeable tremors to massive, devastating events that can cause widespread damage and loss of life. So, why do earthquakes happen? The answer lies within the Earth's interior. The Earth is made up of several different layers, including the outermost layer, the lithosphere, which is broken up into large plates. These plates move and interact with each other, sometimes leading to friction and pressure buildup. When the pressure becomes too great, the energy is released in the form of an earthquake. Now that we know what an earthquake is and why it happens, let's talk about what to do during an earthquake. The most important thing is to stay calm and protect yourself. If you're indoors, stay there and take cover under a sturdy piece of furniture, such as a desk or table. If you're outdoors, move to an open area away from buildings, trees, and other hazards. If you're in a car, stop the car and stay inside. And if you're in a tall building, stay away from windows and elevators. One of the biggest misconceptions about earthquakes is that you should run outside. However, this is not always the safest option, as falling debris and broken glass can pose a major hazard. So, how can we know an earthquake is about to happen? Unfortunately, there is no surefire way to predict an earthquake. However, there are some signs that can indicate that an earthquake may be imminent, such as increased seismic activity, changes in the water level of wells, and ground cracking. However, these signs are not always reliable, and it's still important to be prepared and know what to do during an earthquake. In conclusion, earthquakes are powerful and unpredictable events that can cause significant damage and loss of life. By understanding why earthquakes happen, what to do during an earthquake, and how we can know an earthquake is about to happen, we can be better prepared and reduce the potential impact of these events. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.